This time I'd like to introduce the popular yakitori donburi, yakitori bowl in Japan, which is healthy yet satisfying. This bowl provides about 600 calories and about 40 grams of protein. Please enjoy low-calorie, high-protein yakitori bowl. First, prepare the green onions. Cut into bite-sized pieces so that they are about the same size when squared with the chicken. If you do not like green onions, it's perfectly fine to make it with chicken alone. Shishito peppers is often topped quite often when you eat the yakitori bowl at a restaurant. It has a slight bitterness that adds a refreshing touch when eaten with the meat. Make a small slit to prevent it from exploding when you turn on the heat. I had some green onions left over in the fridge, so I will add them to the tsukune later. Chicken is the star of the show today. I bought some chicken for Calorie at the butcher shop, but it's a little big, so I cut some for yakitori. I recommend using chicken thigh with skin. That is the secret to a good yakitori bowl. But if you prefer other parts of the chicken, please make it that way. Square the chicken and green onion. I do this because squaring makes it easier to grill and to toss with the sauce. You can also grill them without squaring them. Make sure that all the skin faces are the same side. The most popular type of yakitori in Japan is the chicken thigh, but you can taste the various parts of yakitori at the specialty restaurant. For example, yakitori is made from chicken skin, heart, cartilage, liver, and so on. My favorite is the combination of green onions and chicken thigh that I am currently making. Other unusual parts of the chicken are also unexpectedly tasty, so I hope everyone will try various kinds of yakitori when you have the chance. Cook them in a fry pan. When all the squares are lined up, turn on the heat. Cook skin side down over medium heat for 5 minutes. Some pans will probably burn, in which case put oil on the pan. I wanted to get a nice char on the chicken skin and green onions, so I cooked them over medium heat. Turn them over. Be careful not to remove the chicken skin. Add shishito peppers to the pan. Put it in the gap. From here, they are steamed and cooked. This is optional, but if you have sake, you can add some. It's effective in eliminating meat smell and tenderizing meat. Steam over low heat for 3 minutes. Turn the shishito over halfway through. After 3 minutes, turn off the heat and remove the shishito peppers. Remove the shishito peppers immediately as they will lose their color. You can make a bowl of rice with just the yakitori you just cooked, but today I'll make one more addition. I'm making tsukune with chicken meatballs. I prepare ground chicken and I mix 2 kinds of that, breast and thigh. Use whichever you prefer. Add grated ginger. Yakitori and tsukune, 2 items served on top of rice, often exist as a yakitori bowl. Today I will show you how to make tsukune, which is much fluffier and tastier than usual. Panko, potato starch, sugar, sesame oil, chicken stock powder, salt and pepper. The key is to add the egg here. This makes the dough very fluffy. Add green onion if you like. Mix well while mashing the ground meat. Common tsukune is a much firmer dough than this, so it's easier to form, but this is a little harder to form, so use a spoon to make a round shape. Your hands don't have to get dirty, and the soft dough is very tasty. Prepare boiling water. Tsukune is dropped into this hot water. When the submerged tsukune rises to the top, take them out. Tsukune takes a long time to cook in a fry pan, but this way it cooks quickly and saves time. The water used to make this tsukune has a wonderful chicken broth, which will be made into soup later. The soup recipe is available in a membership-only video, then please join our membership program. Next, let's make yakitori sauce. Put soy sauce. I have made yakitori several times before on this channel, but this time I have improved the sauce. Add mirin, sake, and sugar. The ingredients used are almost the same, but changing the formula makes a big difference. My husband complimented me on this one, saying it was not too sweet, it was smooth and tasted just like a restaurant sauce. Remove the yakitori from the pan. Reserve the meat juice in a separate bowl for use in the soup. It's important to lightly wipe the pan clean at this point to ensure that the sauce is well coated. Add all of the sauce and warm slightly. The sugar is hard to mix, so in this way mix well while warming. Return half of the sauce to the bowl before it comes to a boil. Return the yakitori to the pan and toss with the sauce. Allow the chicken to absorb the sauce while simmering the sauce. Turn over frequently during the process. By the way, when you order yakitori at the yakitori restaurant in Japan, you are asked to choose between tare and shio. We always order the tare sauce. If you ask for shio, salt, you will get yakitori, which is simply seasoned chicken with salt and pepper. Both are delicious, but when it comes to yakitori bowl, the seasoning should be the sauce. The amount of sauce has been reduced a bit and the chicken is now nicely browned. Remove the meat from the pan at this point, as further cooking will cause it to become tough. Use the leftover sauce later. Next, return the previously reserved sauce to the pan. Add the tsukune and toss in the sauce. The dough is fluffy and easy to toss with the sauce. Since I made a lot today, I'll store the leftover tsukune in the fridge and arrange them in other dishes. Finally, nori goes well with yakitori bowl, so let's prepare this. Nori is very fragrant and tasty when lightly roasted over a fire like this. My husband always asks me to do this step. Any shape can be used, but cut into small pieces with scissors. Serve rice in the bowl and pour a little sauce over the rice. Spread nori seaweed. Place tsukune and yakitori. Shishito peppers can be placed on top for a beautiful colorful look. Finally, pour the sauce over the meat and it's done. A yakitori donburi like a restaurant is ready. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.